Hi, welcome back to another MeasureSquare tutorial. In this video, we'll show you how to use your splitters in your countertops. Splitters are used for placing seams in your countertops. There are multiple types of splitters that MeasureSquare offers. Click on the arrow button below Splitter to reveal the 4 types. Here, you can see we have the horizontal, vertical, arc, and even splitters. The first one I'm going to click on is the horizontal splitter. By bringing my mouse into the countertop, you can see the current position of the splitter. Click to drop your splitter. Next, I'll click on the vertical splitter. Just like the horizontal splitter, it places a seam along your countertop, except in a vertical orientation. The arc splitter is meant to place a seam in a countertop with a curve or arc. Lastly, I'll add an even splitter to my countertop. It allows you to specify an interval to evenly space out your seams. For example, I'll put a 3-foot interval between my seams. Then I'll click OK to lock it in. I'll go over to my countertop over here, and you can see that it places seams that are spaced 3 feet apart. You can even use splitters to create cutouts for objects such as sinks and stoves. Click on the icon above the splitter label in the toolbar. This lets you draw a free-form area. Here, we can draw a sink. I'll click to drop my corners here, and close it off, and there's my cutout. I'll right-click and click Delete to delete that area. Thank you for watching, and make sure to subscribe to our channel for future videos and information for all MeasureSquare products.